hell you doing?
Shane, stop. Back off.
Why do your people have weapons?
Are you kidding me? Do you see what you're holding on to?
I see who I'm holding on to.
Nah, man, you don't see it all.
Rick, you said you control your people.
Come on, Shane. We can talk. Let's talk. Don't you want to talk? We should talk. Talking is good. Talk. Talk. Talking. Talkie. Talk.
What do you want to talk about, Rick? These things ain't sick. They're not people. They're honkers. Ain't got no feeling for them because all they want to do is honk. Amy's a honker. Otis, honker. All those people that died, honkers.
Shane, stop!
Herschel, let me ask you something. Can a living person handle this? Can it take that? And look, it's still trying to honk.
Shane, that's enough.
You're right. That is enough. Enough risking our lives for a little girl that's gone. Enough living next to a barn full of bad notes. Enough. Rick, it ain't like it was before. If you want to live, you gotta fight for it. Right here, right now.
Herschel, take this. Herschel, take the leash, Herschel. Do not do this, brother. Do not do this. Will somebody please take this? There's so many of you. You're all just standing around. Daryl, stop making out with Carol and take this. Seriously, none of you could have taken this?